Good day fellow hams, good day mga karadyo. This is Delta Whiskey 3 Victor Tango Lima and we have here the Retevis L51. So this type of radio is what we call POC network radio. This type of radio only works by using cellular network. You don't have to input any analog RF frequency. So this will work by using SIM cards. So I will show you some features, specifications, and key functions of this radio. So first of all, let's see the battery. So we have here the Belcliffe Type-C charging port, and the model here is Retevis BL51 with a capacity of 2.5 Ah or 2500 milliampere hour with 9.25 watt hour. It's a lithium ion battery. So we have here the Retevis L51, a Matok L51. So we have here the SIM card slot. So it's a dual SIM card slot. So it's so you can use, it's either SIM 1 or SIM 2, or you can use the function for automatic switching mode for the SIM card, and I will show it later on this video. So we need to insert this battery. So to remove the battery, so you need to push down here and slide. Okay, again push down and slide. Okay, and so press and hold on this button to power on the radio. So you can see the Retevis. Okay, so wait for a while. Welcome to use POC radio. Initializing. Okay, so before I work with this video, this L51 is already connected to a group, which is the POC Echolink. So I have 3 groups in here: POC Zello, POC Echolink, and DX3 EVM POC. So on this LCD screen, you can see it's on idle mode, so means it's on standby. We have the 24-hour format time, the group, the user, and the actual date of end time. So up above here on this corner of the screen, you can see the signal bar. So it means there is a cellular network 4G, and I'm using SIM card slot number 1. So if you can see this icon over here at the upper mid section of this LCD screen, it means the GPS function is working. Over here is the speaker level volume and the battery bar. So it's not on battery percentage, it's not using battery percentage, but battery bar level. So you have a flashing light over here, means the GPS or the global positioning system is working. So we have over here on the right side, left side is the PTT button and another 2 auxiliary buttons. So to turn off, you need to hold and press. Okay, so it will power off, and again if you push and hold on this button, it will turn on. Okay, wait for a while, just a few seconds. Okay, to adjust the volume of the radio, you can use these 2 buttons over here: push up to add and push down to minimize the volume, and to maximize it's up to 8. It's on level 8 up to level 1, and another push is on mute. Okay, let's set on number 3. So menu, so we have the group select. So if you use this button while on this menu selection, it won't change, okay, on this selection, but it will trigger the volume function. So to switch, you need to push the select to change into member select, friend select, playback. Okay, let's try.
DX3ED.
Okay, so back, select, location information. So we have the GPS. Okay, local settings. So the prompt tone when you were transmitting or receiving, and backlight in key buttons. So backlight time you can set to 30 on, 15, 20, and 30 seconds. So key button lock is on and off. Okay, so let's turn this on. Then net mode, auto or 4G, we don't need to reset. Okay, firmware, upgrade POC, upgrade MCU, and account OTA. So back, so TX gain level, you can choose, it's either +3, +2, +1, 0, -1, -2, and -3. Okay, time zone, because I live here in the Philippines, so the time zone is UTC +8. Okay, SIM cards, you can choose automatic priority 1 for the SIM card slot 1, and priority number 2 for the SIM card slot number 2. About, so it's the version, limited time, it's for the transmit time or the TOT, transmit over time. You can choose from 120 seconds up to 240 seconds. So the ICC ID switch, APN select, and nothing more. So that's it. Back, menu, group select, member select, friend select, playback, location info, local settings, group select. Okay, so let's try to have a QSO or conversation.
DX3EVM.
So that's the station ID of the DX3EVM, or the enthusiast of various modes, scan international. Testing, this is Delta Whiskey 3 Victor Tango Lima. Delta Whiskey number 3 Victor Tango Lima. Is there any station on standby? DW3 VTL listening. So as you can see, we can monitor the transmit over time on the upper right of the LCD screen. Once again, this is Delta Whiskey 3 Victor Tango Lima, DW3 Victor Tango Lima. Is there any station on standby? Please go ahead. So maybe there's none. Okay, let's try the other function. So menu, let's try on member select, waiting, DU3 RBQ. Okay, let's try. You can push here to go up and down. Okay, DW2 Zulu November Delta. This is the function to make a private call with other users. So press over here on the mid button. Okay, so it will show temporary call. Okay, DW2 Zulu November Delta, DW2 Zulu November Delta. This is Delta Whiskey 3 Victor Tango Lima. Okay, let's wait. Again, this is Delta Whiskey 3 Victor Tango Lima, DW2 Zulu November Delta. Are you on standby? Okay, maybe he is busy too, so let's exit and choose another member. Okay, let's see. Let's see for another station. Okay. DU3 RBQ, DU3 RBQ, DW3 BTL. DU3 RBQ, DW3 BTL. So maybe they are busy at this moment, so let's try to exit. Okay, again, let's try on the POC Echolink. DW3 VTL, DW3 VTL on board. Is there any station on standby? Please go ahead. Okay, I guess they are busy at the moment. It's already 2:30 in the afternoon here in the Philippines. Okay, let's try until we make. So the key becomes lock. So to unlock, you need to press this button again. So unlock. Okay, member select GBF SIR Kilo Bravo Alpha DV3GXT 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 DW3VTL. Delta Victor 3 Juliet X-Ray Tango, DW3 Victor Tango 5. So I guess they are all busy at the moment. Okay, so that's it, fellow hams. I hope you catch some information with this L51 POC network radio. So thank you and 73 mabuhay.